Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your NBA Live game account. So let's get started. First, open the NBA Live game on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the account deletion option. Tap on the delete button right beside it. Finally, tap on the confirm button and complete the deletion process. And this is how you can delete your NBA Live game account. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.